Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best carbon steel fry pans that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Carbon Steel Fry Pans. If you are looking through best carbon steel fry pans reviews to get one for your home cooking needs, look no other than Lodge 12-inch seasoned carbon steel skillet. The pan offers everything ranging from 12 carbon steel that provides excellent heat conduction and the ability to use it on a wide variety of cooking surfaces. You can hand wash, dry, and rub it for hassle-free care. Number 5. Movi Elm Steel Carbon Non-Stick Fry Pan. Commercial grade durability withstands high temperature, allowing for longer preheating and excellent searing capabilities. Iron handles. Excellent heat conduction, ideal for searing. Main features: high performance, natural non-stick, made in France. Number 4. BK Cookware Black Carbon Steel Fry Pan. Designed to develop a natural non-stick patina layer, this is a pan for life. The more you use it, the better and more non-stick it becomes. Main features: heat-responsive design, stronger and more durable, corrosion and stain resistant. Number 3. Joyce Chen 21-9979 Classic Series Stir Fry Pan. Classic Series carbon steel woks from Joyce Chen offer a superior cooking experience. Stay cool handle and helper handle offer secure and comfortable control. Main features: birchwood handles, 12-inch diameter, natural carbon steel. Number 2. Ponderna World Cuisine Blue Carbon Steel Crepe Pan. It is comparable to solid cast iron due to its raw finish, but is lighter, unbreakable and won't chip, will not retain odors. It is warp resistant. Main features: limited lifetime warranty, extremely durable, natural non-stick surface. Number 1. Matt for Peugeot Black Steel Round Fry Pan. Ensures high standards for durability, performance, and hygiene for both commercial and residential use. Made of a black carbon steel. Main features: highly compatible and versatile, durable construction, natural non-stick material. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.